In the deepest, darkest corners of the universe, something extraordinary might be happening. A star dies, space-time tears, gravity becomes so dense, so absolute, that not even light can escape. A black hole is born, a place where time slows, physics breaks, and information disappears into silence. For decades, this was where the story ended. But what if that's just the beginning? What if every black hole is a question with an unseen answer? A passage with a second door? That second door may be something the universe has never let us see. A white hole, the mirror twin of a black hole. Not an object of consumption, but of release. Not an end, but a beginning. And according to some of the boldest theories in physics, these enigmatic objects might be more than just mathematical curiosities. They could be the keys to something far more profound, the existence of other universes. The black hole is both a marvel and a menace. It challenges our understanding of the cosmos at every turn. General relativity tells us what happens when gravity wins. When mass collapses so completely that a singularity forms, an infinitely dense point wrapped in an event horizon. Cross that line, and you never return. Yet quantum mechanics, our most successful theory of the small, insists that information, the quantum fingerprint of everything, can never be truly lost. So which is it? Either something is fundamentally broken in our theories, or there's more to the story than we can see. The black hole information paradox has haunted physicists for over half a century. Hawking's radiation predicted that black holes evaporate. But how does that radiation preserve information? And where does it all go? Perhaps the black hole is not the end. Perhaps it's a tunnel, and what enters doesn't vanish, but exits somewhere else. Enter the white hole. In the math of Einstein's equations, flipping the direction of time turns a black hole inside out. Instead of absorbing matter, it expels it. Instead of hiding a singularity, it reveals it in reverse. Imagine a region of space where nothing can enter, only escape, where light, energy, and matter pour out into the cosmos, but no force can push them back in. This is the theoretical white hole, a cosmic volcano, a one-way source. To us, it would appear as a sudden burst of light, a shower of particles from nowhere, emerging into reality without cause or warning. For now, white holes remain hypothetical. We've never seen one, not directly, but if they exist, they could solve some of the deepest riddles in cosmology. And more provocatively, they could point to other realms of existence. What happens inside a black hole, beyond the event horizon, where our equations falter? One proposal from loop quantum gravity is that the collapse doesn't go on forever. Instead, at the smallest possible scale, quantum pressure counters gravity's pull. Instead of an eternal fall into singularity, the matter rebounds. This is the quantum bounce. And when it happens, what was once a black hole becomes a white hole. It's not instant. From the outside, it could take billions, even trillions of years. But in the white hole's frame of reference, the bounce might be near instantaneous. To us, it looks like a black hole slowly evaporating. But from within, a universe may be erupting. If this is true, then every black hole might be a waiting white hole, a cosmic time bomb of creation. And just maybe, these white holes give birth to brand new universes. The multiverse, an idea once relegated to science fiction, now seriously considered by some of the most brilliant minds in theoretical physics. Could our universe be just one of many? One bubble in a frothing cosmic sea? If so, white holes might be the connection points, tunnels from one universe to another. Imagine, a black hole forms in our universe. A massive star collapses, but instead of ending in nothing, its matter reemerges in a new realm, a fresh cosmos, a place where time flows differently, where physics may vary, where the Big Bang is not the beginning of everything, but the start of that universe. In this picture, white holes don't just preserve information, they pass it on. They seed reality itself. We may owe our very existence to one. Perhaps the Big Bang wasn't the beginning, but the eruption of a white hole from a dying universe before our own. The challenge, of course, is observation. We've detected black holes through their gravitational influence, their X-ray emissions, and their effect on nearby stars. But white holes, they're elusive by nature. If they exist, they may be rare, short-lived, or they may exist in a state we've never recognized. Some astronomers have speculated that white holes could explain certain fast radio bursts, powerful signals lasting milliseconds, appearing without known cause. Others point to gamma-ray bursts, mysterious flashes of high-energy light from distant galaxies, as potential white hole signatures. Could we train telescopes to find them? Would they emit gravitational waves? Would they distort the background radiation of the cosmos? Perhaps we've already seen one, but we didn't know what we were looking at. Here's a thought that will bend your mind. What if the inside of a black hole is not empty, but contains an entire universe? According to some models, the core of a black hole could be a miniature cosmos, a new region of space-time, expanding from a white hole singularity hidden within the event horizon. From our perspective, it looks like a dead end, but inside, it could be teeming with galaxies, stars, planets, even life. That life would never know it lived inside a black hole. To its inhabitants, their universe would seem infinite, normal, stable, just as ours does. Could we, right now, be living in such a universe? Born from a white hole, the echo of a collapse that occurred eons ago in a cosmos long dead? It sounds impossible, and yet the math doesn't say no. If white holes are real, and if they are connected to other universes, then the nature of reality is far stranger than we've ever imagined. The cosmos is no longer a closed system, but a network, a tree of creation, branching across dimensions and time. Each white hole becomes a cradle, each black hole a tomb, or perhaps a womb. Death begets life, collapse leads to expansion, endings become beginnings. And so the universe may be eternal, not in a static sense, but in a process of recycling, regenerating, reincarnating itself across realities. We are not outside this process. We are part of it, born of cosmic collapse, living in cosmic bloom. The white hole remains unseen, a whisper in equations, a ghost in the data. But perhaps that's always how discovery begins. Not with certainty, but with possibility. A question. What lies beyond the horizon? A hope that nothing is truly lost, and a wonder that in the deepest shadows of space, new realities are waiting to be born. White holes may be rare. They may be ancient. Or they may be the reason we're here at all. Not just the end of something, but the start of everything.